Tell me what happened.
It was like any other day. I got ready, I had breakfast, and I went to work.
And were people acting differently?
Yeah, everyone seemed happy. Not like ecstatic, just complete.
And that's when you realised?
No. It was only when I got to work.
Oh my God.
Jenkins and Tina were in the staff room, and... Morning, guys.
Good morning, Christopher.
Now, Christopher, what did you have to eat last night?
Asparagus risotto.
And what did you have for dessert?
I'm not really a dessert person. So.
So, you didn't...
No. It wasn't until I got back to my desk. Hi, Mel, I'm just at work. You all right?
Oh yeah, no worries, darling. I was just wondering if you did anything special last night. You know, for Pancake Day. Pancake Day.
So I ran home. I got all the stuff together, I put my apron on, and I went to crack the first egg. But I didn't feel anything. No excitement. No joy. I just...
You knew it wasn't Pancake Day.
It was Ash Wednesday. It's not a day for pancakes. A tortilla wrap, maybe, but not pancakes. Not...
Last year, over 18 people forgot Pancake Day. Don't let your mates feel like crap. Spread the word.
Hello! We're just these, please. My name's Will, that's Georgie, and that's Philippa. This is a pancake.
Hello.
Oh, a dry one!
Dry.
Guys, thanks for watching the video. You're very good.
So muchy.
Please do subscribe and click the bell notification because
Otherwise you won't know.
otherwise you won't
You'll
know.
be wandering around the internet looking for us.
Lost.
It's really
Got
chewy.
enough of a wrap,
It's
have
just
you?
so much.
Full of pancake
Don't
here.
tell them it's a wrap.
Sorry, sorry.
Oh no!
Oh, sorry.
Georgie, can they see us live?
They can see us live. We're doing shows at the Vault Festival in February. On the 13th and the 20th and the 27th.
Come and see it!
Yeah.
See
Do. You can buy your tickets on the door or online through our website, justtheseplease.com, and that will lead you to the Vault website where you can buy the tickets.
Enjoy your pancakes.